In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make email for website using Brevo. If you want to send professional emails from your website, Brevo provides the tools to create a campaign, design it, and then activate it so it is ready for your email marketing efforts. To begin, go to the Campaigns section. From there, click to create a new campaign. This is where you start the process of building an email that you can later send to your contacts. When you do this, you should see an option to choose the type of campaign. Take a moment to select email as your campaign type, because that ensures the editor and settings are tailored for email content. Next, choose your campaign name. Pick a name that helps you recognize what the campaign is for later. This name is mainly for your organization inside the platform, so use something clear and relevant, especially if you plan to run multiple campaigns. Once you have selected the email option and set your campaign name, you are ready to move into the design stage. Now click Start Design. After that, click Template. This step is important because it gives you a starting structure for your email. Templates usually include safe layouts and formatting that look good on different screens. If you are following along, you should be taken to a design interface where you can build the email visually. Once the template is open, you will use the drag and drop editor. Here you build your email by dragging content blocks into your layout. These blocks can include text, images, buttons, and other elements, depending on what Brevo provides in the editor. As you drag blocks into place, pay attention to where they land, because the layout determines how your email will appear to recipients. After adding blocks, click on any block to edit it. When you select a block, you should see options to update the content and adjust styling. This includes things like fonts, colors, and other formatting choices. Make sure your choices match your website branding so your email looks consistent and professional. For example, if your website uses specific brand colors, you can mirror those in the email styling. As you fine-tune the content, you can also personalize parts of the email so it feels more relevant to each contact. To do this, use the Personalize icon. This lets you insert dynamic contact attributes. For example, you can add something like DAIC, contact first name, to greet people using their first name automatically. This personalization can improve engagement because it makes the message feel more tailored. When your design and personalization are in place, it is time to check the result. Click Preview and Test. This is a crucial step because it lets you confirm how your email will look on both desktop and mobile devices. Look closely at spacing, alignment, and readability. Sometimes elements that look perfect on desktop may shift on mobile, so reviewing both views helps you catch issues before the email is finalized. After you have confirmed the preview looks right, you can proceed to finalize it. Click Save and Activate. This final step locks in your template and makes it available for use in your email marketing campaigns. Activating it ensures you are ready to start sending or to include the template in future campaign workflows. And that is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know to make and prepare an email campaign in Brevo, from creating the campaign